We can easily dismantle all his claims and arguments and everything.
Then let's do it.
Let's do it. Because he.
What lets you marry your own child in
Okay.
Islam? If
First
Islam
of all, you're lying against our faith.
not
Well,
lying.
look again. I said, don't interrupt me when I'm answering. You don't like my answer. You don't like my answer. Zip your mouth and listen to my answer, and then I'll zip my mouth. No, I'm not dictating. But you don't want people to hear my answer.
You can answer.
You can throw questions at me and don't want me to answer.
just deflect
I'm
it.
answering.
Answer me, right?
It's absolutely haram, forbidden, prohibited in our faith to marry any child, let alone your own child. Okay, full
in
stop.
Islam,
Wait. I've answered directly. Now I expect an answer from him. Now, can you answer me? What is your moral source to say? Wait. So I'm going to stick to the question. What is your moral source to say that you cannot sleep with your mother?
In Islam, is there a rule that you can marry your child if that child is born out of wedlock?
Haram. I'm saying haram.
It is halal in Islam.
I've been studying Islam for 20 years. I'm saying it's absolutely, you're lying. You're lying against our faith.
By
By the way, you
It's
don't answer
haram.
my question.
It's not
He asked
lying.
another question.
It is there in Islam.
Okay, leave it to people. Leave it to people now.
don't deem that easy.
I have said, I'm going to repeat it categorically. You
where's my camera?
so-called ex-Muslims, so-called atheists, so-called kafirs, lie. They have nothing but lies against Islam. They have a bunch of emotional arguments they want to throw at people to rock the boat. But in reality, they have no foundations. They have no foundations to offer. They have nothing to offer.
When you say Indian, that's what they categorize.
Okay, so that's racism, right? Okay. So
Why are you ignoring?
when we upload this, I will show you the proof from Quran which lets you marry your own child.
Okay. Show me now.
Speaking to his bubble.
Yeah, show me now. Show me now.
I'm recording, please.
Of course, I'm talking to you people as well. He's lying. He has nothing from the Quran. Show me now.
He won't lie. He won't.
Show me now. They're waiting. They're waiting for your proof.
I will show you. No problem.
Adnan, don't let him skip.
This is the problem.
Stick to the question.
Is that you?
They don't know
He said he's
Islam.
proud.
They don't know
Is that him?
the rule which is Rasul in Islam.
Is that him?
This is something.
Is it Jewish?
It's not Jewish.
He lies. Well, he said he's a Zionist.
He kicked him out.
The rule in Islam.
Okay. Now you please, guys, without making noise, we can easily dismantle everything they bring. Easily. Do not make noise because you're making it difficult for me. Okay? So let him speak, let me speak so that people can learn. Okay? You claimed you can show from the Quran that we can sleep with our children.
You can watch my channel.
Oh no. Right now.
That's why
Wait.
You watch our channels as well then.
Hashim,
Watch Dawah Watch.
I'll
tell you what,
Hashim,
I'm telling you on my channel,
he's taking.
come and have a debate. How about that? Okay? On Dawah Wise, this Thursday. Hashim. And I'll bring Adnan with me on the panel. No problem. By the way, I don't shake hands with I don't know whether you watch or not. So I'm sorry.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum.
Walaikum. Yeah, see what?
See what?
Islam is peace.
Yes, peace.
Speaking to his audience. By the way, we don't shake hands with proud Zionists. We don't.
I'm an expert.
Now, can we come back to the conversation? Can we come back to the conversation?
And we will have a debate about all these things. Yes, Ashik Nagar.
From this Thursday.
His
You're also
channel.
welcome. You're also welcome. See, they won't.
I don't shake hands with Zionists. I don't. No, not just. You're a genocide apologist. I will never shake hands with you.
I call
Never.
Adnan Bhai. Seriously, I call you Adnan Bhai. Still you won't take that.
Are you a Zionist?
Bring the evidence. Yeah?
Are you a
Don't say
Zionist?
watch our
I
channel.
don't follow this.
No, are you a Zionist? Are you a Zionist? He's a Zionist.
I'm a proud Zionist.
Let it be.
Yeah. Let him be. Let him be.
Everyone has
Let
their
him
own
be.
opinion, bro.
You guys, the more you open your mouth, the more repulsive, and the more hate-worthy you are. You know why? Because you are genocide apologists. You are the scum of the earth. You're the worst people walking on the planet. You know why? Because you are genocide apologists. I can never stand here and justify the killing of children. I can never stand here and say I'm a proud killer of children. I can never say that. I can, as a Muslim.
The main man is okay with killing children and babies because he's supposed to Zionist.
So now,
I've been watching your videos.
It is like
Yes, so let's talk.
I don't see a lot you deflecting. Rather you debunking atheism.
Just reflect that. That means what?
You just
No, he
take the
answered the
Quran,
question.
you
I've
just
answered the
take
question. I've answered the question directly. Head on. He's lying.
He asked me.
He has nothing but lies. He has nothing but lies.
The first question he was asking.
I have an idea. can we sit on chairs, put the cameras there, and have
Time
a
it,
calm
time-
conversation?
time
and
it,
time
time
it.
it, yeah.
1 minute each.
How about that?
Or 2 minutes each.
Actually, you can do it here. Time it. 2
Time
minutes.
it. 2 minutes each.
Yeah. And whoever doesn't answer the question has lost. That's
Yes.
argument.
Nothing like that.
Yeah,
How about
yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
No, no.
It has
2
to-
minutes.
you have to
Within
give
the 2
answers.
minutes, if you don't answer the
You have
question,
to prove your
then you lost
point.
that point.
You have to give evidence.
No, the thing is,
We'll do the same on Dawah.
you try to
If you are willing to come
debunk.
up.
You try to debunk.
2 minutes
it.
each.
Yes,
2 minutes
Let's see
each.
if he comes on Thursday. Guys, make sure your man, the proud Zionist, proud BJP, proud RSS, who follow Hitler, make sure he comes on Dawah at 5:30. We'll be waiting. 5:30 p.m. UK time. Okay, by the way, we don't understand Malayalam, so English only, please.
No, no, we just discuss it.
I know, but English
No
only.
problem.
So, 2 minutes each. Are you okay?
No, we have a point here.
No, no. Are
No,
you
no,
okay?
no,
Why are you
no.
running away?
Why are you running away
I
now?
thought you are
brother?
proud X, Y, and Z.
I'm not running
Proud
away.
kafir. So act like one.
I have a mouth.
Actually, he's acting
I
like
have a
kafir.
mouth. You have a
Away from
mouth.
the challenge.
Everything will be there online.
No, no, no. You,
And
my
we
friend,
will do
right
a
now,
debate online.
right now, why can't you have the challenge? 2
We
minutes
can do a
each.
debate. If
Why
you-
can't you have
Let
the
all
challenge
the
right now?
let all the Indian Muslims and non-Muslims see that these people, when they are faced with questions, they have nothing. When they face informed Muslims, they have nothing. They will make dirty claims online. Islam says this, Islam says that. But when a Muslim is standing in front of them with education and information, they have nothing. They will run.
By the way,
They don't want to have a conversation. This is the nature of this kafir. Self-confessing kafir. By the way, I'm not calling him as a hateful gesture. He said, I am a kafir. Look, look, look. So I'm calling him what he is. Or what he's.
By the way, Adnan, they are going to kill. Adnan,
No,
Adnan.
okay. I don't shake hands with Zionists. I don't shake hands with people who justify genocide of children. He's a proud Zionist. He said he's a proud Zionist. He's the Zionists. When they look at him as, you know what they call people like this? You know, Zionists are so racist. When people like Indians like him, when they say, shut the hell up, you Indian, get out. We don't need you. That's how Zionists talk to them.